Hi, today I'm explaining about pendulum animation. Okay, so before this class, I explained you about bouncing ball with the shadow animation. Okay, so bouncing ball and pendulum animation, these are the very important the basic assignments for animation students everywhere, anywhere. Any institute, any college that teach these principles. So you have to understand this. It's very important principle actually. So what is pendulum actually? So pendulum is nothing but in the old traditional the clock, there will be a pendulum. It swings left to right and right to left continuously. Okay, so that is pendulum actually. So what is the benefit, why we use, how we use this pendulum method or pendulum action in animation? What is the comparison, why we choose this in animation, to why this pendulum principle introduced in animation? What are the things are involving? What are the benefits we get with this pendulum animation? Okay, so first I'll explain actually the pendulum procedure. Suppose we know the pendulum actually how does pendulum can swing. Suppose there will be a one first, let me draw one line. To understand actually what is this. So this can be something like 3 size was. Okay, just observe this, what I am planning. First I want to create pendulum, then I'll explain this. here I'm filling colors with something like, yes, with this color, and here I remove this outline. Okay, okay. Remove these extra frames for time being. Insert keyframe at 13th. Suppose this is my first drawing, so this what I'll do. 6, 7 at 7, insert keyframe. Okay, here press Q. Yeah, first I have to make this into symbol, so this we can right click and convert to symbol. Okay, so because this pendulum edge tip establishing there, so you can place it there. Okay, registration pointer, and make it name it symbol, LUM, pendulum. Okay, now this you can into graphic symbol, say okay, press Q, then double click here, so that point is registering there. Right, now what you do, at 7, insert keyframe. Okay, here in timeline is showing. At 13, insert keyframe. Okay, I'll explain what are these. First, at the first frame, press Q, and you can move this here. Sorry. Okay, and now the same frame you can copy this, copy here, you can paste this, but here right click this, transform and flip horizontal, so it is flipped. Then if you see these, by switch on the onion skin, and you understand this, here it is and here it is. Okay. These are 3. So 1, 2, 3. So now I'm going to explain here some theory. Okay, so on the onion skin, and here I want to create one path. Let us check this. So one more layer I'm creating here. Just follow this. Later I'll explain everything. Here I am creating path. What is path and what is the arc? I'll explain now, because first I want to create this, so then I'll explain. So why we are creating this, what reason we are doing all these things. Okay, so let me create this. Yes, almost good. Something like this extra pieces I want to remove. So this control B, make it control B, and suppose here delete this. Okay, so control S. Now so these are three pendulum poses. Now I'll explain you one thing here. Actually, what is pendulum? Why should we do this? So let us check that. So here I'm explaining. See, this is the final pendulum, actually the finished version of the pendulum action. So why we are doing, and what the reason we follow this, I'll explain. First let us check by control enter, then we'll understand this. See, this is actual the pendulum, but don't see this the tail portion. So below the tail later we add. Okay, after approving the first pendulum animation, then finally we add this. There is a principle. Okay, that I'll explain later. To focus on only the pendulum, the first pose and the second pose. Okay, and here it is creating the arc, not horizontally it is swinging. Okay, in an arc form it's taking arc and swinging from left to right and right to left, continuous action it is giving. Okay, so here if you check these, the few things will understand. So what all those? Here the learning things, what we are learning, learning one, path of action. This is path of action. Just let us decrease the size. Okay, then the next one is key poses. Key poses, then in between poses, so suppose this is 2, actually this is 2, 3 and this is 4. Okay, and here this is breakdown or passing pose. Passing pose. So learning path of action, key poses, breakdown or passing pose, and in between poses shall reduce the size. Next here I'll copy this and here I paste slow in, slow out. Slow out. Okay, the first one is path of action, key poses, breakdown or passing pose, in between poses, slow in, slow out. Okay, so these are the things we are learning from this assignment. Okay, this we can lock. Drag this down. Control S. Okay, so let us check. Control Enter. So here with this assignment we are learning path of action, key poses, breakdown or passing pose, in between poses, slow in, slow out. This is the finished one. Okay, the first pose and the last pose, and the between is in between breakdown pose. Okay, the arc is creating here because it is not moving in flat action. It is not giving a flat action. It is taking into curve. Okay, so let us check with our assignment. Yes, so already I drew this. These are the poses. Suppose this is path. This is path. What we created this is path because the pendulum is swinging in path. Okay, not in a static motion, not horizontally. It's not giving horizontal action, it is giving in path, because this drawing is very very important. Suppose without this, suppose I'll delete this just for time being. I'm deleting this. Now if you see this, here we have two pendulums. Let us check and separate color, because in white it is not showing anything. Yeah, suppose here we have two pendulums. Okay, the middle one already deleted it. So without this, the middle one, this action, it never create this curve. So it goes horizontally from left to right or right to left. Okay, if it move in a horizontal action, so it never create this arc. So because of this center drawing here, your drawing must be there. Because of this center drawing, it is connecting from first frame to here, then it is connecting the last frame. Without this frame, this drawing goes horizontally and connect to right frame and again come back right to left. So your action will be horizontal. But this is not a pendulum. The pendulum action must give in arc direction. So that is the reason this drawing is very very important. Without this, there is no meaning of pendulum action. Okay, so this is, so suppose here I'm pasting that again. This is very important drawing. Okay, that is called the breakdown, the breaking action. This is the first the main pose, key pose, and this is the ending. This is the last key pose. Between this key pose and this key pose, because of this center very important drawing, you are creating nice pendulum animation. Okay, yes, the same thing we have to write in a ladder. Suppose here I want to create one ladder. Ladder means here, ladder is nothing but look like a ladder. Okay. So here I'm giving the number here. Suppose this is 1. Okay, make it round. So round is indicating key frame. Key frame means very important pose. Without these two key poses there will be no animation. So key pose, key drawing, very important drawing between these 1 and this last 13th key drawing. Okay, so why 13th drawing? Again I'll explain later. Okay, so at 13th and at first, between these two key drawings we are moving pendulum. Okay, so the same thing about these 3 drawings we are writing in a ladder. Okay, yes, here it is one drawing, and here the other end at 13th I'm giving again the name for that. This is 13th. At 13th, suppose this is also key, because of the key drawing we are giving round, right? And then at the middle because the in drawing in the poses it is showing it straight away at 7th frame. Why 7th frame? Again I'll explain. Okay, so 7th frame this is called what? The breakdown. I said it is a breakdown. This I'll cut this, suppose control X, and I'll paste in a separate layer. Here give the poses. You have to give the proper the naming. So here control shift V, and this is called ladder. DDER. Ladder means in a regular the usage purpose we use this. Okay, now let us check at this 7th frame. Here we are writing, we are giving here at this pose, suppose something like yes, here at 7th, suppose let us check here inside keyframe. Yes, here at 7th frame we are placing we are placing here one line exactly between this and this. We are marking with the one line. Okay, so because we are writing this for a 7th number, right? This is called what? We are giving the first number. This is 7th. This is 7th. Okay, and here don't give a round. Open, close, brackets. In a brackets you can keep this because it is not key pose. We are giving round only for the key pose for 1 and 13. This is very important. For 7th we are giving brackets, and right here, suppose here I am giving pose, key pose, key pose. Suppose this must be in let's say in black. Okay, and here you can drag here, copy this, and this is key pose, this is key pose, this is key pose. And now here here sorry, suppose here just I'll copy and paste here. Okay, this I'll copy and suppose paste. And this and this, Control X, and here I'll paste. Okay, now this you can copy, suppose here paste, and you can paste. Okay, now so here the key poses are there, and here give the name, what is this, breakdown. So write the same, you can write here, or otherwise just you can breakdown, breakdown, shortcut BD. Okay, I am writing in shortcut BD, or passing position, shortcut P pose, passing pose, otherwise passing, PASSING, BD or passing pose. Okay, this is so I'll copy this and paste here, and here I paste this. Okay. So these are the main the poses to swing your bound, I mean pendulum left to right and right to left, and this is called arc. So because within the arc, not only pendulum, everyone in humans, as humans are your animals or birds or objects, can move in proper particular path. Okay, here pendulum is moving in path. Okay, so here what we do, between here and here we did this 7th. Okay, now between 1 and 7th we have to draw one more in between here, so that means here, okay, that can be 4th. Between 4th and 1 we have to draw a 3rd, and between 1 and 3rd we have to draw 2. Okay, the same way here 7 and 13 we have to create all the poses. Okay, so this will be the continuous action for the pendulum. Suppose here I'll explain. Yes, see all the pendulum frames. Let us check. These are the drawings you have to draw from here to there. Okay, and again the pendulum can swing from left to right and right to left, continuous action. So what we made now, this is the first key pose and this is the last key pose. Between this and this we made this, that is the breakdown and passing position. Next what we have to do, between this and this 7th we have to draw this 6th. Okay, between 6th and the 1 we have to draw 5th. Okay, 5. Again 5 to 1 we have to draw 4. Between 4 and 1 we have to draw 3. Between 3 and 1 we have to draw 2. At the same way here, between 7 and 13 we have to draw this 8th. Between 8 to 13, 9th, 9 to 13, 10, 10 to 13, 12, 12 to 13. I mean 11, 11 to 13, 12. These are the frames are called in between poses. Okay, so the next class, next lesson, I'll explain other in between poses. Okay, so for today you also have to place your pendulum, prepare your pendulum and draw the arc and place the three main the poses. The first one is one key pose and this is the other end key pose. Between this and this it should be in center, horizontal in 90 degrees. This will be your breakdown or passing pose between these two key poses, and arc should connect to the all the main poses. Okay, this is called the procedure for the procedure and theory for the pendulum action. It moves, we are planning in 1 second. 1 second means in 24 frames pendulum can move left to right and right to connect to the first frame. So continuously it swings, continuously it swings like this. Okay, and final animation, after after finishing your main pendulum action, we add this a thread. It swings along with the main pendulum action. Okay, I'll explain in the next class. Okay, first you have to plan your this main between main poses, add the breakdown or passing pose. Okay, yes, and place this, and if you have any doubt please ask. Okay, thank you.